Hello guys, welcome to Electronic Experience. In this project, you are going to make an automatic parking gate. Use ultrasonic, servo SG90 and Arduino Nano. So let's test for first time. This is an Lamborghini machine. So as you can see, the gate will open with if our machine is running. So this is our first time. If you like this project until now, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's go to schematic part. This is the part we use in this project. An ultrasonic SR04 and Arduino Nano. You can use Arduino Uno instead. And a servomotor SG90. And this is all of this is this. Let's go to our programming part and know how our circuit connection is. So, in programming part, first we include a servo.h library for our project, and next we declare our trick pin to number 9 Arduino and echo pin to number 10 Arduino. These two pins for our ultrasonic, and we have float variable for our duration and distance. We declare our servo to my servo from our library servo.h, and we have setup function. There we declare our pin trick pin as output and our echo pin like input. We have my servo pin to pin number 6, and we have serial that begin baud rate 9600, and we have loop function in there. This 5-line code for our wave sound code for our trick pin, and we have duration pulse in echo pin high to put our echo pin measure to our duration, and we have distance to change our duration with formula to our distance with centimeter, and we have this 2-line code for our measure to see how our centimeter going for your condition, and we have one condition there. If our distance lower than 15, our servo write 160 degree and delay for 500, and else is our servo write for 70 degree, and 70 degree is the gate is closed and 160 is gate is open. So our code is just like this, and let's go to end part. I connect servo 5-volt pin to 5-volt Arduino and ultrasonic VCC pin to V in, because I use cable to connect the Arduino Nano to our PC. I use this pin for our ultrasonic. You can use 5-volt pin as too. So let's test for ending. And this is our project. In next project I'm going to making a cold steam with piezoelectric and Arduino. So if you like to watch this video and another one like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.